Hi traders, good morning, good everyone. Sorry for the little delay. My PC did not want to start, but I just convinced that we need to trade today. Hi Anne, good morning to you. Happy sunshine day today here in Spain. Very nice weather. Hopefully by you as well. Spring is coming, and the market in the meantime is just trying to shake off the iron situation. Look at that. We are just starting in again a green day with the market. Seems like that they're really trying this rebound, even not touching the 200 EMA yet, neither the SPY nor the triple Q, and we are just seeing a nice pre-market green. However, yesterday we had a very nice green day in the room, indeed, but yesterday towards the end of the day, as you can see, it's just pulled back to almost the start of the day on the triple Q, and it just made a dodgy. So I'm still not buying this rebound, but definitely the bulls are trying hard for today, guys. Okay, so I hope you are doing great already for today's trading. Today is Tuesday, the 17th of March. Happy St. Patrick's Day for the ones who are celebrating. Indeed, here where I'm living in Spain, there are lots of Irish people, so it was a huge a huge parade on Sunday. It was quite funny, and today it's the official St. Patrick's Day, so I don't think so. I'm going to go out to the streets because I'm sure that the pubs are going to be full, especially the Irish pubs. So happy St. Patrick's Day for everyone who is celebrating it. Hi Tara, nice to see you. Okay, looks like the girls' power is today. We are starting the day early today again, as you know, the daylight saving time is on in the US, not in Europe yet. But in April or very much end of March, which is going to be the 30th of March, is going to be back to the old schedule, and we are going to start at 3 p.m. At least Madrid time, but so far it's still 2 p.m. Now let's see the market, guys, and the news. What's happening now? Well, I'm just starting with the economic news today. As I've told you, it's not going to be a huge day on the economic front. Pending home sales, though we are waiting at 10. The ADP weekly employment change, it was much lower than expected, but the market does not care too much. Pending home sales, we are waiting at 10 o'clock. After that, quite nothing. 4:30 API weekly statistical bulletin, but it's not going to mean anything for the market. Tomorrow, though, it's a much more important day coming, as I've told you. At 8:30, 1 hour before the market starts, we will get the PPI numbers. After that, 10 o'clock factory orders, 10:30 oil inventories, and 2 p.m. is going to happen the big thing with the federal funds rate decision. 2:30 FOMC press conference. Guys, I am planning to trade it with you, as I mentioned you last time that I'm going to try it and at this time trade it with you. And yes, I'm going to trade it with you tomorrow on the FOMC the press conference as well, and the federal funds rate decision. So tomorrow we will have double trading, which is great indeed. I love trading TQQQ around this time, as you know. Okay, guys, so let's see what else in the news. Let's just start today with the CNBC. Iran hits UAE infrastructure as gas field set ablaze. Tanker struck near Strait of Hormuz. So as you can see, unfortunately, this craziness is still going on indeed. Private credit, it's in the news again. As I've told you, we should really watch this news. On this field, because actually fear is growing. Private credits off ramp emerges as investors look to cash out and default fears grow. That's definitely not a good news indeed. Israel says Iran security chef Ali Rayyan has been killed in a strike. So full of the world news again. Alibaba launches an agentic AI tool for businesses with Slack Teams integration plans. That's quite of a competition on the AI field again. US dollar is back on top for now, around this $100 level, as I mentioned you. Eli Lilly catches a downgrade on HSBC, warns of overhyped obesity drug market. Oil jumps 4% as dumped linger over US-backed plan to protect Strait of Hormuz shipping. As you see, everything is still very fragile, very volatile. So even despite seeing the market higher, like as you know, both of the triple Q and the SPY starting in green, everything is going to be headline and news driven again. US is allowing iron and oil tankers through Strait of Hormuz, says Besant. So everything is just about iron and the oil. But we still have something here, which was the NVIDIA event. NVIDIA GTC CEO Hansen Huang sees $1 trillion in orders for Blackwell and Vera Rubin through 2027. So this is quite a good news for the NVDA. Let's see how NVDA is moving on that news indeed. And after the NVDA event, not bad, not bad. Yesterday it was crazy, as you can see, because of the event. Today it's starting in a small green, 185. I think it can be a quite of a stronger level because there is the 20 EMA, actually the 50 EMA, sorry, on the daily. So this one I'm going to watch it there, how it's going to affect the price, this 185 level, and if it's going to be able to break it, this can be maybe a nice long for today because the CEO was quite positive about the future. I'm just checking quickly not only the CNBC, but Market Watch, Bloomberg, and the rest as well. On the Market Watch, we're trading about 102 a barrel with no end-to-end conflict in sight, but stocks shake off early losses. As I told you, market is trying to get used to the situation, if I can say something like that. But again, I'm still not sure until, if I just go to the triple Q, until with the triple Q, not SQQQ, I need. With the triple Q, we need to break the 613, 615 level to see that the bulls are out of the water, but the triple Q is still just consolidating. And actually, after 3 red days, yesterday it was a small doji, but green day, and today we are starting with a small gap up. Okay, Warren Buffett's parting gift to Berkshire Hathaway, $2 billion iron oil windfall. Delta, mortgage rates, China, and lots of more news. Moody's says that a recession will be hard to avoid if the oil prices stay elevated for even more weeks. Well, this is actually quite obvious. Hopefully, it's not going to happen. But you know, anyway, they just planned the 4 weeks and it's going to end soon. Hi, yes, Tara, Amazon new 30 minutes delivery in some cities. Okay, thank you very much for the news indeed. I'm just checking Amazon. So Amazon and Amazon Meta, because Meta got news yesterday, Amazon today, NVDA event, they should be all on our watch list. Thank you very much, Tara. That Amazon looks quite strong indeed. I'm just going to put it to the long list. Actually, I'm just going to start the list, not to forget any of our great candidates. So NVDA, Amazon, I'm going to call them to the long side. The Meta, I'm just going to check it. I'm not going to do anything else, just to check it. And let's see how, by the way, the rest of the world did on this day so far. Europe surprisingly nice and green, and actually even Europe started in zero or in a small red and pulled back to the green side. Also, Asia was quite mixed. Nikkei down 0.09, Hang Seng up 0.13. Not a huge day at all, but I think it's Japanese bank holiday. I remember something like that. Never mind. So not a big move. DXY index, as I told you, hovering around this $100. US 10 years are pushing lower, futures up. And interestingly, everything is green. I mean, stock futures, gold, silver, and the crude oil as well. So I have a strong feeling this is not going to stay like that. So let's just be careful. On the crypto side, quite muted. Bitcoin hovering around this or under this 74K. As I've told you yesterday, though, it tried to break the 75K, which I keep telling you for weeks that this is going to be the next big barrier for the Bitcoin. And as you can see, it failed. I mean, it did break. It went almost to this, actually touched the 76,000 as well. But after that, it just gave up. So the consolidation still continues on the Bitcoin as well. Okay, now let's see the big movers too. I'm just getting to my list, just a second here. So traders, again, everything is news driven, headline driven. We should watch the headlines definitely, because unfortunately this is going to shape the market again, as we do not have too big economic news, not like tomorrow, by the way. So big movers for today. Indeed, Eli Lilly, as I mentioned you, not a good news, downgrade, and Eli Lilly starting into the red side down to 975 area. Actually, if I'm just checking the daily chart, I would like to see this to break first the 970s, 73. So at the moment, it's a small like red day for the Eli Lilly, not bad, but still did not convince me. Eli Lilly, though, it's, as you know, it's a quite spready stock, not a very cheap stock either. So I'm going to call it to the short side because of the downgrade, but I'm going to be careful because of the spread, traders. Okay, so just watch out on the share size. Indeed, Eli Lilly, Pharma Giant fell 1.1, HSBC downgraded to reduce from hold. We think Eli Lilly share or price to perfection are uncomfortable with working capital trends and think medium-term earnings trends are optimistic. So this means the stock is overvalued. I'm just going to translate you in one sentence. Well, let's see. That's for sure. Look at that. It was like a huge move on the Eli Lilly from 620s, which was in August 2025, back to almost doubled actually in like a until January. So that's quite of a big move to the upside. But this is just hanging on in the air a little bit. It's a bear flag. Don't misunderstand me. It looks like as a bear flag and looks like as a continuation. That's why I'm going to call it to the short side based on the daily chart as well. And VDA, as I've told you, slightly higher after CEO Hansen Huang Jensen Huang said he expects orders for its Blackwell and Vero Rubin, as I mentioned you before. So this can be to our long list. But again, maybe even the big names are going to be overshadowed by this Iranian situation and the news. So let's be careful. Delta Airlines here traded more than 4% higher after the company raised its first quarter revenue growth guidance. That's actually quite of a good news because, as you know, the oil prices are quite high now, which usually not good for the airlines, but seems like that they are starting to shake it off as well. That's quite interesting. Also, I'm going to call DAL to the long side, but I'm going to be careful with this, and especially because of the oil is going up as well. Let me just check the other airline stocks too, like UAL. UAL is bouncing back as well. How about BA? I have not seen this stock for a while now. Oh, BA, interesting 200 EMA reversal. Okay, so might we can check these airlines here. In Lily, we were talking about oil stocks. Crude prices resumed their march higher, with traders casting doubt around the US-backed plan to escort tankers through the Strait of Hormuz. XOM up, Oxy up, so we can might watch the oil stocks to the upside as well. But it's a bit extended for me. I don't know. Buy the oil, you never know. You know what? I'm just going to put it to the secondary list. Nothing else, just an XOM. Tara, your Amazon is already on the long list. And actually, I like the Amazon on the daily chart as well, because look at that. It's up 214 already, which is still slightly above yesterday's highest point. Looks like it's a very nice reversal formation. Let's see whether it can just push through towards to this 50 EMA level 218, but looks very promising because of the news. We still have some traders. Honeywell is here too. HON 1.5% lower, as the CEO said at an event that US Iran war in the Middle East could have a high single-digit impact on first quarter revenue. Ouch. So Honeywell is not doing very well, but trying to recover a bit. Volume, I'm afraid the volume is not going to be my favorite. Not that bad, 433, but it's back to green. How can it be back to green? Wait, guys, something is not okay here. I don't understand. Wait, I'm just restarting my program because something is not okay with this Honeywell chart. How it is Honeywell on your chart, guys? It's in green or red? Maybe just a glitch in my platform now. Okay, yeah, it's still in a small red. All right, well, for me, it looks like as a short one actually on the Honeywell, but let's be careful because this is a little bit similar to the Eli Lilly, that this can be a little bit even crazy, okay? Like, I mean, the crazy, it's definitely a little bit spready, so let's just watch out on that. All right, let's see what else in here. Honeywell, after Honeywell, I'm going to check Uber, which is up 3%. By the way, look at Uber, guys. Uber at the moment is trying to make a reversal after several like bad months for the Uber, as you can see. And the reason why it's going higher, because said it would launch robotaxis powered by NVIDIA self-driving software to its ride-sharing platform beginning in 2027 in San Francisco and Los Angeles. So nice plans for Uber. Let's see whether it can just stretch higher. And I'm going to call it to the long side. Builder's First Source. I think I've never traded this stock. BLDR. Oh, yes, of course. Sometimes I do not remember on the company's name, but the volume is very low on that stock, so let's just be careful with that. However, quite good news. 2% higher after regulatory filing, show director Paul Levi bought 50K shares at 87.73. This stock, I'm just going to put it to the secondary list because of the volume. Okay, traders, not too many on my watch list yet. And if I'm just checking the watch list, UPS is trying again. MU, of course, what else? So MU, I'm going to put it on the long list again. As you know, yesterday tried to go for a new all-time high, did not succeed. Maybe today. Baba is strong. JP Morgan, Baba on the news, as you know. JP Morgan, Amazon, as we were talking about, Nike, SMCI are on the strongest side. AMD is not bad either. Triple Q is up 0.45. SPY is up 0.43. So not extremely strong, but definitely a nice start. Bitcoin though, Roblox, Walmart, and PLTR into the red side at the moment. PLTR is just tagged in this consolidation. Roblox, I can't believe it still cannot make a reversal, but seems like really not. I'm just checking at the last thing. What I'm checking is the gainers losers list soon, indeed, and let's see what's coming next on that market indeed. What do you think, guys? Are we going to have a green or a red day today? I'm a bit confused, but I think it will depend on the headlines indeed. If you have any idea regarding that, please just let me know. Okay, traders, so this is my list so far. Just a second, I need to restart my things there. I will be back with the charts in a second. Okay, until this point, please, if you have any great candidates, hi, Buza, good evening. Yes, and thank you, Amazon and MU, definitely. And please just let us know because actually my watch list is not that very big so far. Okay, I'm just restarting my platform and we can start. Market is going to open in like 8 minutes, 7. And I think, by the way, the reason is still this time difference, you know. It's definitely has an impact now on the room. that we do not have too many traders because of the daylight saving time is on, but in 2 weeks is going to change. So hopefully it's going to be okay. Jules, green to red on the market. Yeah, actually I have the same feeling as well. SEI, LMND, DAL, and NBIS and VDA. Thank you. Oh yes, NBIS, we had a news as well. You're very much right indeed. Okay, guys, I am back with the chart. IBRX, you're watching, Jules. Just checking. IBRX. Oh yeah, I still can't trade it. Ay. Say, I think I can't read it. SEI. Oh, I can. Solaris Energy. It's a solar stock. Ooh, that looks interesting. Not a very high pre-market volume, but you know what? This can be a great one to our secondary list, Buzak, on the SEI. LMND, I like this stock actually. This can be quite of a nice mover, even despite being not a very expensive stock. I love LMND to trade. Nice. However, I do not trade too much. Also watching Oklo, Tara, thank you very much. Okay, hello, you are right, because Oklo is going to get earnings after the market close. I'm just going to move it to the secondary list. DAL, we are watching as well, of course, NVDA. And Buzak, there is news about the UMBI is beautiful. About the Amazon, so we can watch Amazon too. And let me just check. Hopefully, my gainers and losers list is working now. Oh yes, fantastic. And here is LMND. Here is Oklo. Actually, maybe I'm going to move instead of MU Oklo here. Anyway, we are watching Oklo every day, indeed, or MU. Sorry. Viking Therapeutics is up as well, 4%, as I see, quite strong. Actually, what I do not have, it's rather short candidates traders. VIK is up as well, 4%, but very low volume. Let's just leave it. CRDO up 4% as well. Volume not that bad. CRDO looks still good. I'm just going to put it to the secondary list because it can be a little bit spready. Hi, Sharko. Nice to see you. Good morning to you. BLDR, we have it on the secondary list, Uber on our list, DAL definitely, JBL is here, MTN, VIPS are strong for today as well, traders. I'm just telling you what I do see. UPST, of course, QCOM, Busak, you like this stock, don't you? Oh my God, QCOM, it is just extended to the downside. QCOM is up 2.79% by the way, if you like it. UAL, ARM, strong. Billy, STM is up 2% as well. STM. Okay, interesting. MNSO, TDW, Vorby, INTC, 2% up as well. I'm pulling back after yesterday. Humana is strong too. Okay, so I think we will have great candidates from the gainers and losers list. And let's see what is missing the run to the upside today. TME traders, TME Tencent Music, it was a earnings stock is down 14% indeed. If you are interested in that, I'm just going to call it to the short side. INTC on the list. Do we have not yet, Jules? Not yet, but we can just. I'm just going to put it to the secondary list on the INTC. You're right. We really should watch it every day, by the way, because you know this stock can be a crazy one. AAOI is down 3.37% traders, and unfortunately, I forgot this beautiful pullback, and it did already. Maybe it still has some room to go lower on the AAOI. Irene is down now 1.78% as well. Yesterday we were watching it to the long side. Now it's going down, as you can see. What else on the weakest stocks? I cannot see anything else. Dell, Dell is up down 1%, and HIMS is down too. Dell and HIMS, but HIMS is still looking strong on the daily for me. SNDK, oh yes, Buzak, SNDK was a very nice trade yesterday with a lower share size, and it still looks like all-time highs. Yes, we can watch it. Traders, we have quite of a nice list now to start the day with. I just posted it. Let's just finalize our chart and start trading in like 2 minutes. NVDA definitely watching, Amazon as well, maybe Meta, Tesla. because of yesterday. And from the watch list, I'm going to go for definitely Oklo and LMND, which I like. Irene, I'm not sure. I want to just check it today. What else? Maybe Uber. It's not a bad choice either. To the short side, Eli Lilly. It can be a quite of a big mover. Honeywell and BIS too, and BIS as I have. Honeywell, I'm going to put it here. Not a good news for Honeywell either. And from the secondary list, CRDO looks quite interesting for me, by the way. CRDO, nice on the daily as well to the upside. BRDR, not really. INTS is not bad either. INTS. Okay, traders, we have like 1 minute to go. Be ready with your favorites for today and let's just make a nice green day together again and enjoy trading and our fantastic little test trading family. All right, if you still have anything, please just let me know. Okay. Okay. All right, traders. So good luck, everyone. Let's just see whether the market can just keep on the green side. I'm on Julie's side because I think that might is going to go from green to red. Apple is not that strong, by the way, already. Google in red, Tesla in red, coin in red because the Bitcoin is not that strong. Apple is just hovering from red to green. Let's see Apple daily chart. How does it look like? Oof, however, it touched yesterday the 200 EMA, a nice pullback. But what's that ugly? Look at the Apple. What's that ugly candle here? That's actually interesting. Okay, I'm going to keep an eye on Apple because Apple actually looks like it's a reversal from the daily 200 EMA. Look at this here and the 250 level as well. Hmm. Very strong levels for the Apple. Now let's see whether it's failing or making the reversal. MU very strong, guys, 2.40% again to the upside, and might is going to get closer to the all-time high again. So I'm going to keep an eye on MU as well. We are open for business. Good luck, everyone. As you know, I'm not going to rush into trades. We have time. We have fantastic candidates for today. Uber. Okay. Oof, coin. That's crazy. Right. Market is starting a little bit all over the place at the moment. MU very strong, guys. Look at MU is just pushing higher. Amazing. Okay. MU, I just switch off the. Hmm. Why my charts are not moving? Just a second, guys. Traders, if you have TEFS platform, do you have charts moving, by the way? Maybe the provider is not the best. I mean, not the platform, but the feed provider. Usually it's happening when the feed provider is lagging by brokerage company. That's weird. Just a second, guys. I'm going to I'm just going to restart everything. Maybe my PC again doesn't want me to trade today. I don't know. Just a sec, guys. I will be back with the charts. I mean, I'm here for you. In the meantime, though, I cannot see the chart. Sorry. Just a second, it will be okay. Hopefully. USO already, Jeremy. Ooh, yeah. So USO, I mean the oil, it's quite strong already in the pre-market. MBIS, with the MBIS, be careful, Buzak, because this started a little bit into the red side. I know it got good news though. Okay, I am back in the meantime. Now let's see this USO first and NBIS. You see, NBIS, it's quite weak now, Buzak, so let's be careful with this one. USO, I'm just going to get the extended here. Okay. Yes, USO looks like as a bull flag. OKLO checking as well. Just a second. OKLO. Oof, coin big move to the upside. S&D came going higher too. Oklo looks like a very nice gap and go. I agree with you, Jeremy. However, with the Oklo, we should be a little bit careful because it's going to release earnings after the market close. I keep an eye as well on LLY for gap and go lower because it got quite bad news, by the way. Going to watch here LMND as well, Microsoft pushing higher, Nvidia is not really moving. How about Amazon? Oof, Amazon nice, but no entry at the moment. Okay, let me just check Uber here, maybe instead of the coin. SPY triple Q, very nice gap and go. Oof, Uber looks strong as well, traders. Uber. That's not bad. MBIS still going down. Uber looks great. I'm going to long Uber over 78.20 traders, 78.20. Maybe I won't have time to post it. Stop loss under 77, I would say 77.50. So 78.20, I'm long Uber. Stop loss under 77.50 at least. Uber going up nicely. I still like your Oklo, by the way. Now let's see USO here as well. USO, I still keep an eye. Very nice. Uber around 79. I want to take the partial there. LMND, nice move to the upside. Meta strong. Okay. Going to watch Honeywell as well here. MBIS I'm watching, INTC and the rest. Okay, MU pulling back. Meta is strong, guys. We should keep an eye on Meta as well. Okay, traders, Eli Lilly is going to be my next trade here, I think. But this is a spready crazy stock. On the Uber, though, as we entered 78.20 and the stop loss 77.50, it's an 80 cents. So that's why I think just before 79, I want to take a partial there. And Eli Lilly, I can't believe I'm just missing this trade. Talking too much. Ah, 970 on the Eli Lilly, very small share size. 970 Eli Lilly, under 970. Stop. No, it's too late. You know what? I just feel a little bit FOMO. The nice entry, it was 975. I missed it. I missed it, guys. Eli Lilly. Oh, come on, Uber. Really? Okay, guys. Today is scalping again. Just scalping, nothing else. Market is making a bull flag, by the way. DAL checking. Can't believe I missed Eli Lilly. US, so it's coming higher. DAL looks really good, Jeremy, but I just missed it, I think. No, 64 still looks good. It's a bit similar to the Uber, but Uber unfortunately just got a rejection. That's ugly. Still keep an eye on USO, still keep an eye on Oklo. Unfortunately, Eli Lilly, I missed. If you could take it, I'm very happy for you. but I was too slow. Amazon, bull flagging. Let's see if Amazon can make a breakout here. Come on, Uber. Actually, I like Amazon breakout. I like the Amazon breakout 214.75. Just for a scalp, guys, I'm going to scalp today. Over 214.80 just for a scalp on the Amazon. Eli Lilly, I'm so angry at myself. I called it and I did not take it on time. Because I was watching Uber, I thought that Uber going to reach the first partial. Now, hopefully it will. But traders, let's just watch Uber here. If it cannot break this 50-60 level, I'm okay to take half off and let's see whether it can push higher. Based on the daily, it still should, but the market is starting to be a little bit uncertain here, in my opinion. So 60, come on. Here is the 60. I'm watching the level 2. If I see some uncertainty, I'm taking 70% off, not even 50. Nice number of buyers on the level 2, but 65, it's quite of lots of sellers too. Next, some seconds going to decide on that, but I do not like to see what's going on there. Okay, 65 again, still a lots of sellers. Now they ate it, that's good. I mean the buyers, but not for too long. Come on, Uber. Okay, traders, I'm not going to push it too far. 66 still, there are the sellers. Market in the meantime started quite consolidating. Amazon is not in yet. Amazon is not in yet and is just making a U-turn here. No, too many sellers on 66.70 traders. So I'm just going to take a partial here. It's okay. Irene checking. And again, on the Uber, I'm going to take a partial here. Irene looks very nice. Very nice. Okay, 70% I'm ready to take on Uber. Here we are. 65 again, there is the 60, there is the 65, but again, the 1,000 sellers are coming back all the time. Not good. Not good. I think there is a chance it's going to break out, but the chance is getting lower now. Uber, okay. Irene. I'm going to maybe instead of, I don't know which one, INTC. Yes, MBIS, I see, Buzak, you really want to long this stock. Okay, here we are back with the 60s with the Uber, and this at this time I'm going to take it. 66 again, lots of sellers, not good. 60, now the buyers get back again, but still not good. US, so it's quite crazy. Look at the US so traders. Just making big red and big green candles. Oklo still starting to look okay. And NBIS, Buzak, I would go with 120. So first small partial done on the Uber, 70% out, stop loss under the entry. Amazon pulled back without entry, without the entry triggers, so it's okay. And Irene, I don't know with this Irene, Jeremy, I see what you mean. It looks like so nice for a gap and go to the downside. But on the daily, look at the daily, it's still okay. Uber, that was it, just a quick scalp. Irene is just again on the 50 EMA on the $44 level. I don't know. Okay, I'm going to watch it. I'm not going to call it yet, but I'm going to watch it. Oklo I still like, and Buzak, this MBIS, again, I think we should wait until it's breaking the VWAP and breaking the 120 if it wants to pull back at all. Now, let's see what are the others. Meta strong. Amazon pulled back. Honeywell looks like as a possible short here, by the way. HON, which I'm checking now. Ay, spready and volume big. Let's just leave it alone. Not good. Spready and volume. Okay, traders, so SPY triple Q bull flagging looks like going higher. Reddit strong today. Unity, UPST, Hood, very strong stocks for today, but the volume is quite low. Coin is pushing higher as well. Uber was just a quick scalp for me. Overall market looks like as a breakout, but very slow, extremely slow in my opinion. JP Morgan quite strong as well. Roblox trying to make a reversal. CRM 1.30%. I'm going to watch CRM here for a possible reversal. I mean, it needs to pull back a little bit and then to reverse. USO is looking very interesting, ugly, I would say. Disney bull flagging, but the market is still not breaking out. Not too many very nice candidates for today. I mean setups, not candidates, setups. Microsoft looking stronger, Meta looking stronger, NVIDIA completely muted. Amazon back to the VWAP. Maybe we can take a VWAP reversal instead of a daily high breakout, which is much better. Ah, Buzak, this MBIS just cannot do the move. You see, it's just bear flagging again. Uber again going higher. If you are still holding it, then let's see whether it can break the 78.70s. Nike down. Baba is strong. Look at Baba, guys. Baba is strong. I'm going to put it instead of. Instead of. Honeywell. Honeywell, it's not good. Just a second, traders. Okay, sorry for that. No, market is hesitating again, way too much. Way too much hesitation. So I think I'm going to be ready with a hedging trade with the TQQQ. Just a sec. MU, Zach checking. Yeah, it looks like it wants to make a nice reversal here. You want to take it maybe 448. I don't like the volume though. Look at the volume. I don't like the volume too much. I still need some confirmation here. Which one, Jeremy? SNDK. Checking SNDK. SNDK. SNDK again. Okay, and you want to take it 711. VWAP reversal. Not bad. I'm going to keep an eye on it. Look at Eli Lilly. It's coming back now. Oklo is still interesting as well about this 65 maybe. Uber is not doing anything. SNDK, I'm going to watch it, but now it's breaking down. NVDA looks good, Puzak. NVDA, I was watching it as well over this neckline 185.50. Yes, 185.50. Yeah, SNDK broke down. Okay, traders, in the meantime, I'm going to be ready with if the market going to fail 48.35 on the TQQQ for the short, under 48.35. If we cannot go higher, indeed, just in this case. I'm watching LMND as well, especially under this or over this VWAP like 63.70s. MBI is still very weak, Buzak. USO started to go down. MSFT bull flag. Jeremy, good luck with the Irene. It really looked very nice on the technical side. Market is breaking out. Microsoft looks like as a breakout, and LMND, I wanted just to check how does it look like for a VWAP reversal, by the way. Let's see. Volume is here. Okay, traders, so market not giving up, breaking out. Let's see whether it's a false breakout or we can continue higher. I'm seeing really weird moves from the big stocks actually. I don't know how about you, but I don't know what is driving the market higher. NVIDIA muted. Microsoft, okay, broke out. But I just cannot see very strong stocks. What is driving the market higher? Financial sector, maybe. So weird, so weird. Now let's see this Irene. You know what? Okay, I'm just going to take it off. It's not doing anything. Interesting market at the moment. Microsoft broke, Nvidia going down. How about Amazon? Where is my Amazon? Lost Amazon. Here is Amazon. Amazon maybe still we can look for an entry, maybe even for an intraday breakout. But I must tell you, traders, I cannot see real beautiful A plus setups today. I don't know how about you. MBIS still looks weak, by the way. Irene coming to the entry again. Jeremy, I really hope it's going to work for you. At the moment, only one small winner on Uber traders, and I'm a bit stuck with this market here. Hopefully, the 10 o'clock is going to get some change, at least in the momentum, like the strengths. This LMND looks nice over 64.05. I think I'm going to get LMND over 64.05 for a nice VWAP reversal there. Stop loss under this consolidation low. I'm just going to tell you soon. It's going to be under 60, 62, 63. So $1 on the LMND. LLY coming back again. Let's see whether the Amazon is going to continue consolidating here. TQQQ breaking out. MU down. NVDA muted. How about Apple? Apple, though, it's pulling back, guys, as I was expecting because of the 200 EMA on the daily. SNDK going lower now. MBIS looking like a breakdown too. But it just filled the gap. MBIS, be careful with this MBIS. Market still consolidating, bull flagging. USO pulled back a little bit. LMND not in yet. Let me just check unit here. Roblox. UPST. UPST. SMCI. Let's see Google. Hi, Blake. Nice to see you. Good morning to you. The market is strong, but you know what? We just could not find too many nice candidates. I'm ready to take LMND for a VWAP reversal, by the way. But actually, for now, I'm just waiting for this market to really show the direction. I know it's up, gap and go, and we are going higher, but it's so slow. So let's just be careful with today's trading indeed. Oh, CRM made a VWAP reversal. Just missed it. So traders, I'm ready to take LMND over 64. Yes, 64.05. Microsoft is very strong, by the way. I was expecting this strength rather from Amazon and NVIDIA, and Microsoft is pushing higher rather. I'm still going to watch here though this Amazon about this 215 still, or 214.75 where I called it. And look at Microsoft, very nice, but it's just bumped into the 20 EMA now. So not the best to take it at the moment. USO it's sneaking back to the VWAP, and the market bull flagging again, but I don't know, it's so hesitant at these levels. How about Tesla? TSLA. No, can't find Tesla. Okay, here is Tesla. Tesla looking like as a possible breakout as well. And Tesla usually does not care about the markets. I'm going to keep an eye on Tesla. Jeremy, your iron still looks good. Look at the iron. It's actually I start liking it better and better here to join you under this maybe 70. Oh, CRM, I missed this beautiful reversal there. Oh, Eli Lilly, second chance, second miss. I don't know. I just cannot read this Eli Lilly today, guys. Two big winners I just missed on the Eli Lilly. I still don't like my call on the TQQQ traders. If it's breaking 48.35, I'm going to take it because I feel like the market is not strong enough. But let's see. Eli Lilly, I just missed for second time. I can't believe that. And VDA, looks like it's a breakdown. Now let's see which is the weak. Bitcoin is still weak, by the way. PepsiCo 0.50% lower. WMT 0.36 lower. Johnson & Johnson 1% lower as well. I'm going to watch J&J here. USO sneaking back really strongly. Okay, I still like my lemonade. Thinking on Tesla. MU is starting to look better as well. Buzak, I don't know whether you entered already over this 448. But the market now started to pull back. I can't believe I'm not even watching this LLY. I'm not even watching this LLY. I'm going to watch here coin maybe. J&J is weak. Coin is down. USO getting back to the highs at the moment. Come on, LMND. LMND can be such a nice mover, even despite being not that high price stock, it can be a really nice mover. Traders, I'm still going to get in my Amazon. So Amazon, I've called back over 214.80. I think I'm going to take it there just for a quick scalp. And I still like LMND long. Market still shows some strengths. And 10 o'clock, we will get some economic news, which is the pending home sales, by the way, 10 o'clock in some minutes, like 5 minutes, okay? So waiting for LMND, Amazon long, keeping an eye on Tesla, overall oil situation as well. And if you have any great candidate setups, please just let us know. UPS still low volume. TQQQ. Maybe we can get a better entry if the market goes down. And BLY. Market still strong. LMND getting closer, but everything is so slow. Now the Eli Lilly, which I missed, right? Okay. Jeremy, are you still holding Irene? This is still hovering there actually, but nothing is moving. I think everyone is waiting for tomorrow. I have this feeling that everyone is waiting for the PPI and the Fed. Dow rallies 414 points on gains for shares of Goldman Sachs and American Express. As I've told you, XLF, you're still holding okay. Thank you for the info. Good luck with that. As I've told you, XLF is keeping at least the SPY higher, as you can see there. Okay, LMND is still trying. Let me just check it. LMND is halted or just not moving? No, it's moving. Just too slow. Oh my goodness, guys, this market is so slow. Nah, Busak, I don't know whether you bought this MU or not, but 450, I'm going to watch it. Yes, Jules, very low volume on the market too. I think really, what I feel like market is waiting for something. Yes, Luis, I'm watching. Hola, ¿qué tal? 450, I'm going to watch for an entry here. Nike over 55. Nike, oh, it's J&J. Sorry, it's not Nike. Yes, I'm watching J&J for the short side. Nike looks very nice. I like Nike, Blake. Yes, and me too. No, you did not take MU. Okay. NVDA 180. I don't know what NVDA wants, Buzak. I do not want to touch NVDA. It's so slow today. LMND, though, it has entered traders. Amazon, not yet. And I'm still watching even MU. If it can make a very nice consolidation on the Viva, 450 can be an entry. On the LMND, we need $1 there. Yes, Humble Ninja, I really hope it's going to fly to 65 with no time. In no time, actually. US so bear or bull flagging, market started to pull back, and I still like my TQQQ there. Come on, LMND. One more big green candle and we are done. Actually, on the TQQQ, I can get it under 48.40 already. Nike, back to the Nike. My entry would be here 65, not 50, not 60, over 65 on the Nike. But I like the daily of the Nike. It has a chance to make a reversal and so on. Now let's see this MU as well, traders, because you know how crazy it can be. 450 looks like as a very nice intraday breakout, but I still want to see two more candles there. SNDK reversing, US so broke. Market still strong, and our LMND is working very nicely. Around 64, 80, 90, I want to take a partial. I'm not that brave to take this MU though. I don't know why. Like to see that, USO is going higher, its spine is coming back to the VWAP. Not my favorite to see. Oh, come on, LMND. Maybe I just should scalp here as well. Not waiting for too much. Nike still looks good. MU at the end, I did not take it over 450. I know I'm going to regret it. I see it now. SNDK starting to be stronger as well. LMND, come on. Oh, MU. Sure. SPY is back to the VWAP traders, but the triple Q is still showing some strength. Coin going down. Phew, not an easy market. And LMND just made a reversal. That's not good. That looks like as a false breakout. Not good. Come on, LMND. Oh, one thing I missed on LMND, guys. 50 EMA. Shoo. Sorry. Completely missed this. Here, 64.70, the 50 EMA. Oh, I can't believe it. I missed it. That's not good. In this case, I'm not going to let it back like a full or I think maybe under this 63.50, I'm going to be out with a smaller loss. USO breaking out. SPY on the VWAP. Amazon not doing anything. MU it's trying to be stronger. LMND is in a trouble, and I'm just checking the others here. AMD, for example, 1% higher. AMD is stronger than the NVDA. It's funny. Amazon still no entry and actually not doing anything. Roblox Hood strong. but very low volume everywhere. I agree with you, Jules. It's just not good. Okay. Good luck, Buzak. I was not that brave to touch this NVDA today, but looks quite good. Really hope LMND is going to be saved by the run number here. TQQQ guys, under 48.40, I'm going to take it. Tara BA, thank you. Every great stock is just, you know what, it just comes handy. Wow, that's a drop here. I'm going to watch it for a possible continuation there. And I'm going to take under 48.40 the TQQQ, by the way, because the oil really started to push higher, traders. Wow, BA. What happened with the BA's news? Tarak, have you seen something? Ah, LMND. Shoot. Still holding a bit, guys, there on the LMND, but I'm not happy with that. And I'm going to take under 48.40 the TQQQ for to the short. Ooh, nice. NVDA, Buzak. Well done. Look at that. BA is not stopping. It looks like as a falling knife, actually. That's crazy. Okay, traders, TQQQ nothing yet. Element, it's making the reversal, which is good. And the overall market hesitating. US, so it's pushing higher and higher. Amazing. How about DAL and the others? They are going down too? No, DAL back to the VWAP. UAL. UAL, I want to see. Nothing. Okay, guys, so LMND is back. That's a good news. I'm watching the market itself, what it wants to do here. Jeremy, your iDoing still looks good. Now, SPY is under the VWAP, triple Q on the VWAP. That can be a quite strong test for the market itself. SNDK moving higher, Tesla looking still stronger. To BA, sorry, could not respond. CFO talked about AI. Thank you very much, Tara, and beautiful trade there. Yeah, it was extremely fast. Actually, it looked very nice for an intraday breakdown under 215. Such a shame I missed it. Even before the news, you see, it just showed where it wants to go. Fantastic. Okay, guys. LMND back to the green. Very good. And TQQQ going to be a short under 48 and 40 with a stop loss 48 and 70. And I still keep an eye on BA. Jim Lee, yeah, I know. Very slow market we have today. And very confusing, to tell the truth. Like, look at NVDA and I don't know. Interesting. Market is on a little like a break mode today. MBIS again, checking. LMND really should break this 64.50 now. MBIS looking a little bit better to the long side. Sorry, I was just checking the another stock. Mm, because it filled the gap on the daily, as you can see, and we were talking about that as well. But I'm still not sure that this is a bottom reversal, Buzak. So if you want to take it, I would take it just for a very quick scalp because this is, counter trend trading. It's not always the best, but your NVDA it's perfect. I think it's going to get 182-ish somewhere. LMND guys, though, it's so much not doing anything at all. I don't know what to do with this stock. It just gets very slow now. It seems like it cannot push this 50 EMA, unfortunately. So I'm ready to maybe just cut half of the share size here. Okay. Tara, I don't know whether you are still holding this BA, but this looks like as a bear flag again. SPY triple Q still consolidating here. Not too much to tell about the market at the moment. We had a news, but just like a pending home sales, which I'm checking, how was it? Just a sec. Better, much better than expected, by the way. 25% left, nice. It's just a bear flag again. Okay, traders, this element is just not doing the job which I want to see here. I think I'm going to half it. It's on the entry actually, small green now on the LMND. 64.20. So slow everything. SPY is completely under the VWAP, and now the triple Q is under the VWAP. Here comes the break. If it comes the break under 48.40 on the TQQQ, I'm going to take it for a short, as I've told you. And yeah, I'm going to half my share size on the LMND here in zero. Just not doing the job which I want to see from this stock. Maybe it's going to do it, but at the moment, not really. So I just sold a half and waiting for TQQQ. On the TQQQ, I want to scalp only 20 cents first, and then let's see whether we do continue. USO is getting stronger there, by the way, but the market is getting weaker. I'm just almost in on the TQQQ. I'm still holding LMND half share size only. Okay, we are in. Come on, 48.30 I'm looking for now. Come on, market. Irene is still on this 48.70 area. No, Irene? Oh, no, LMND, sorry. I just got in this Irene. Okay, guys, on the TQQQ, I still want to see like a 15 cents, but the market is hesitating here. LMND still has a chance here to break. Coin is making a reversal. USO hesitating as well. Very, very slow market, guys, today. Oh, I'm canceling Amazon. I don't think so Amazon will do anything at all. So cancel Amazon, please. Or at least I'm canceling here on the chart. Yes, Tara, I just told the same actually like 10 minutes ago that I feel like they really do wait for the Fed because now so many things happened on the inflation numbers with the Iran situation and so on. So everyone is just on the sidelines. This is what I feel as well. Okay, come on, TQQQ. We are getting close to the partialing point traders on the TQQQ. Very nice. Second winner for the day. I'm taking, I think, like 80% off here. 60360. We should go to 603. I'm watching the triple Q, of course, at this time. So I'm still waiting a bit more, but not too much traders. Okay, 20. Lemonade is still doing okay. Yeah, there is the volume in the green candle. That's not good. Come on, TQQQ. Here is the 20 again, guys. I think I'm going to take it. I'm not, this market is not the type of market where I want to wait too much more. 672 on the SPY, 603. Interesting move here. Market is getting a little bit more hesitant there. LMND not doing anything at all in the meantime. Okay, get back to 20. Come on. Good. Okay, nice. Are still hesitating here a little bit. BA is back over the VWAP in the meantime. How about the NVIDIA is making a pullback too? Market, not easy with you today. LMND still did not do anything wrong, but you know what? It's just taking so much time now that I just do not want to like risk it with full share size. Actually, even as you can see, it's a triangle, and if it's going to break the VWAP 6350, we should not keep it, I think. Now, finally, TQQQ again. Just missed my partial. Now I'm going to take it. So 80%, very nice. I'm just taking 80% off traders now. 48, 10, 14. Who's that? 112 half at the, oh yes, with the MBIS, sorry. I just took it off the radar. Okay, you really like it for for the long side today. Okay, traders, TQQQ, as you can see, I took 80% off. I'm going to move my stop loss slightly over the entry, and let's see whether it's just going to be a scalp or not. I still give the chance for LMND. So far, sorry, not too many trades. My biggest miss today is definitely LLY. Beautiful intraday breakdown or a reversal. It was first, I think, but I missed it. LMND, I'm still holding it, and TQQQ going to be out over 48.40. Okay, good luck with the MBIS, Buzak. I guess you are out on NVDA already. Okay, nice short there. SNDK pushing higher too. Come on, LMND, go, go, go. I really want to see 65 on LMND. Traders, MU is starting to be stronger as well. Okay, that was quick. TQQQ out. So again, guys, just scalping day to day. Okay, good luck with that. And BIS looking a little bit better for the bottom reversal now, by the way. Market is pulling back as well, traders, and finally element is moving. Okay. I can't believe this, Anamandi. I'm really close, guys. Just close it and forget it. All right. At the moment, I cannot see any other entry. At least NVDA nicely coming back though to the VWAP, MU looking stronger, but I think traders, LMND, I'm not going to not going to risk my very hard-earned small profit for today. So if it's breaking 64, I'm out with a very, very small loss. Had to close your LMND. It might go, but my heart can't. I know, Jules. This day is hard. I don't know. I feel like really as we would be in August or something really low volume time of the day, of the year. It's so weird. Yeah, I know what you mean. It's just crazy. I don't like this whole market now. Yes, it can be a misprint, unfortunately, because I did not see such a big one actually on my chart, Julie. PRTR, definitely. Claro, claro. PRTR. Ah, looking strong, but again, volume is missing, whole day volume is missing. Maybe 155.50 for a long, I would say. The spread is high because we don't have volume today, but it's not just particularly for the PLTR, it's for the whole market, I feel like. Yes, Buzak, this MBIS looking much better now. But again, I would just quickly scalp it. You have 62.90. No, I don't have this one, Julie. Luis, I think it's because of the fact that the volume is much lower on the PLTR. It's just like that. This is the reason for this. Hi, Nitsa. Nice to see you. How are you doing? CRW checking. You did not miss too much from today's trading day, to tell the truth. I had two scalps. That's it. TQQQ and what was the first one? Uber. Very slow market today, even despite of we had a gap up and so on, it's still not the best. Yeah, CRWV trying. How about Oklo, Circle? Oklo, no. Oklo going to have again an earnings after market close, traders, by the way. Circle trying. No, everything is just like, hmm, let's do 1 to green candles, 1 to red candles. Not good. And my LMND half share size still in. And I think this is my last trade, guys. This is just Nitsan. I just called TQQQ. And yes, you're right. If this consolidation breaks down, we can. Oh, finally, guys, LMND. I see some profit. I'm going to get 60% off on this 65 because this is actually here. I'm going to get 70% off because there is the 50 EMA. There is the 50 EMA. I don't care. I just want to get some dinner money and that's it. Adobe, I know, but I missed. I really hope you could get in. Actually, I missed this 2 times, this LLY. Adobe very strong. I agree with you, but I would take it so rather for a reversal than breakout at this point of the day. Yes, MU is moving. I was not expecting that big move actually, Jeremy and Tara. Now I regretted not to take it over 450, but MU can do something like that. So traders on LMND, I get out 70%, 100 shares left. Let's see what's going to happen. I'm going to put my stop loss under 64 and forget this stock. I'm a bit disappointed because really LMND I missed so many times in the past and it's just not moving. Okay, LMND looking better. I'm wondering whether it can break this 50 EMA. Market is back, especially the triple Q back over the VWAP, but still the whole situation is quite fragile, traders. I think I'm just going to leave this market alone. Jeremy, finally, Irene just broke the 43.70. This is so slow as well. Unbelievable. So guys, today two nice scalps, LMND small winner. I'm still going to leave it. I'm going to put the stop loss under the 64, and I think I'm just going to call it as a day. Crazy, crazy day, actually. Very slow day indeed. I really hope that tomorrow is going to be better because of the PPI numbers before the market open and the federal funds rate decision. So tomorrow I'm going to trade this with you as well. I hope at the end you are going to get a green day, guys, but until the market is not showing a little bit more consistency and volume, I would not very much push these trades too much indeed, like not force trading for today. Like look at that, USO nights coming back to the downside. Of course, the market is going up. MU still can be an interesting one. LMND hopefully is going to make the move, but actually I cannot see anything else on the radar at the moment. So I wish you a beautiful green one at the end if you're still stay trading. And tomorrow it's the big day of the federal funds rate decision. Can't wait it. I'm sure it's going to be a great trading day for us, and I'm going to trade it with you. Okay, so I'm going to be back at 8 and 8, 7, 2. Okay, all of the time zones I'm just mentioned. So market time 2 a.m. or p.m. Sorry, 2 p.m. is going to be the federal funds rate decision. Here in Europe, it's going to be 7 p.m. By the way, put me to that good trade. Okay, and yeah, LMND was like, huh, interesting. Um, Thank you, Humble Ninja. Thank you, everyone. Beautiful trades, beautiful calls as always. I'm really, really grateful for you. Fantastic trading community as every day. And if you like the stream, please just give us a thumbs up. And I'm going to see you tomorrow. Stay safe, everyone. Bye.